Hi, hello dear students. Welcome to our channel Maths with Panindra. In this video, we are going to discuss about binomial 7 marks questions. We are discussing now. Let us have a discussion. The question here, if P and Q are the sum of odd terms and sum of even terms respectively in the expansion of x plus a whole power n, then prove that p square minus q square equal to x square minus a square whole power n. 4pq equal to x plus a whole power 2n minus x minus a whole power 2n. So first x plus a whole power n expansion we have to write it. And before that they mentioned p and q are sum of odd terms and even terms. So first given expansion x plus a whole power n. In this expansion, p represents here p equal to sum of odd terms and q represents sum of even terms. So this information they provided. So now I am going to write the expansion of x plus a whole power n. So observe carefully dear students. Binomial expansion, you already know that how to write. X plus a whole power n. nc naught x power n minus 0 a power 0. So x power n, we can stop it there. Plus nc1, whenever a plus is there, every term will be positive. So plus nc1 x power n minus 1 into a power 1 plus nc2 x power n minus 2 a power 2 plus nc3 x power n minus 3 a power 3 plus and so on. Last term ncn, all are plus means ncn a power n will come. This is the expansion of x plus a whole power n. In this is the first term, this is the second term, this is the third term, this is the fourth term. Like this and so on, the terms are there. So what I am doing is, I am writing this total expansion. Anyway, this expansion contains first term, second term, third term, fourth term like this, no? So first, third and fifth like this I am writing. That is odd terms will come. So remaining 2, 4, 6 and so on like that. So this expansion is equal to sum of the even terms and sum of the odd terms only, no? So can we write like this? This is the first term, odd place. nc0 x power n plus, after that odd place is this value nc2 x power n minus 2 a power 2 plus later on here nc4 will be there. We can write it as nc4 x power n minus 4 a power 4 plus and so on. Sum of the odd terms plus the rest of the terms will be even terms only, no? So nc1 a x power n minus 1 into a power 1 plus nc3 x power n minus 3 a power 3 plus nc5, anyway 5 is there, x power n minus 5 a power 5 plus and so on. These are sum of odd terms. These are sum of even terms, which is equal to, this is simply sum of odd terms plus sum of even terms. So we can represent it as, this is p plus this is q. So x plus a whole power n can be expressed as P plus Q. I hope you understand now. Next, here x minus a is also there, no? So the same expansion we are going to write x minus a whole power n expansion. First you write it, dear students. nc0 x power n minus nc1, alternatively we are getting plus minus x power n minus 1 a power 1 plus nc2 x power n minus 2 a power 2 minus nc3 x power n minus 3 a power 3 plus and so on plus ncn minus 1 whole power n a power n. Why I am writing like this? We don't know this value based on n value whether it is minus or plus. It comes, dear students. Whenever all plus are there, whether it is even number or odd number is not the criteria. When here x minus a term is there, no? Based on n value, here it will decide. So, suppose here minus is there, n value is even number, here it will become positive. So that is the reason. After that, again what we have to do? Even terms, odd terms. We can separate it like this. So which is equal to, like x plus a whole power n expansion, we wrote sum of these two, no? Similarly, nc0 x power n, first term, this is the second term now, nc2 x power n minus 2 a power 2 plus nc4 x power n minus 4 a power 4 plus and so on. The rest of the terms, every term, the rest of the other terms will be containing minus. So what I am doing is minus I am taking common, dear students. Now nc1 x power n minus 1 a power 1 plus, whenever you are taking common minus, here all will become plus, nc3 x power n minus 3 a power 3 plus nc5 x power n minus 5 a power 5 plus and so on. Anyway, this is sum of odd terms, this is a sum of even terms, which is equal to sum of odd terms minus sum of even terms. So which is equal to sum of odd terms is P minus sum of even terms is Q. So x minus a whole power n is equal to P minus Q. So half of the answer is over now. Now come to the question number 1, dear students. So in the question number 1, in LHS they are asking that P square minus Q square. It is in the form of a square minus b square only, no? So we can write it as p plus q into p minus q, which is equal to p plus q is the expansion of x plus a whole power n into p minus q value x minus a whole power n. A power m, b power m means what? ab whole power m only, no? So we can write it as x plus a into x minus a whole power n. Again it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. So we can write it as x square minus a square whole power n, which is the required RHS. So first question is over. Now come to the second question. In the second question, LHS. In this LHS, they are asking to calculate 4PQ. From algebraic formulae, 4AB can be written as a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square. So 4PQ can be written as p plus q whole square minus p minus q whole square. A plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square. So that also can be written as a p plus q means what? X plus a. So here x plus a whole square sorry, x plus a whole power n is there, dear students, minus x minus a whole power n whole square. A power m whole power n, a power mn. So x plus a whole power 2n minus x minus a whole power 2n, which is the required RHS. I hope you understand, you students. We'll move on to the next question in this. The next question, dear students. If the coefficients of 4 consecutive terms in the expansion of 1 plus x whole power n are a1, a2, a3, a4 respectively, then show that a1 by a1 plus a2 plus a3 by a3 plus a4 is equal to 2a2 by a2 plus a3. So before doing this one, I need to give some explanation, dear students. First, what is the expansion is given? Given expansion one plus x whole power n. Here, if the coefficient of 4 consecutive terms, first what are the consecutive terms? I am assuming that let TR plus 1, TR plus 2 and TR plus 3 are the 4 consecutive terms of the expansion 1 plus x whole power n expansion. The given expansion. After that, we are assuming that in the terms TR is the TR plus 1, TR plus 2, TR plus 3. So one by one we will write it, dear students. TR, we know that general term of the expansion NCR into x power n minus r into a power r. Similarly, here x value 1, a value x. So TR term, I want to write in terms of a TR plus 1. No? So can we write like this? TR minus 1 plus 1. It is looking like TR plus 1 only. R value is R minus 1. So for this expansion, NCR minus 1, 1 power n minus of r minus 1 and x power r minus 1. Similarly, TR plus 1. So TR plus 1 means R is R only. N is equal. NCR 1 power n minus R x power r. TR plus 2. That can be written as TR plus 1 plus 1. It is looking in the form of TR plus 1. So NCR plus 1. 1 power n minus of r plus 1 x power r plus 1. 1 power anything is 1 only, we can leave, but I am writing for your convenience, students. So TR plus 3, last one, that can be written as TR plus 2 plus 1. So which is equal to NCR plus 2 1 power n minus of r plus 2 x power r plus 2. Observe, dear students, here. This is the general term. So this is the coefficient of TR term. This is the coefficient of TR plus 1th term. This is the coefficient of TR plus 2th term. TR plus 3th term coefficient is what? NCR plus 2. So that means these terms are the 4 consecutive terms. For that, coefficients are given as what? The coefficients of the consecutive terms are respectively A1, A2, A3, A4. That means this is A1, this is A2, this is A3 and this is A4. Therefore, here given A1, A2, A3 and A4 are coefficients of coefficients of TR plus 1th term and TR plus 2th term and TR plus rth terms. So respectively, that is one by one we will write it, dear students. A1 is equal to NCR minus 1. Next, A2 equal to NCR. Next, A3 equal to NCR plus 1. Next, A4 equal to NCR plus 2. I hope everyone understand. A1, A2, A3, A4 values we got it. Everyone are able to understand, dear students? Later on we will consider LHS and proving RHS. Both we will calculate and we will prove that both the values are equal. Here I will rub this and I will write it here neatly and I will write it. With that you can copy now. Now consider LHS. We are considering LHS. In the LHS, A1 by A1 plus A2 plus A3 by A3 plus A4, it is there. Now what I am doing is A1 by A1 I am taking common from the denominator, 1 plus A2 by A1, am I right? A1 I am taking common from the denominator, so 1 plus A2 by A1 plus A3 divided by A3 I am taking common from the denominator, 1 plus A4 by A3. So here A3, here A3, here A1, here A1 get cancelled. So the remaining is 1 by 1 plus A2 by A1. A2 value is what? NCR by A1 value NCR minus 1 plus 1 by 1 plus A4 value NCR plus 2 by A3 value NCR plus 1. We know that formula for NCR by NCR plus 1. What is the formula for NCR by NCR plus 1? We have NCR by NCR minus 1 equal to, dear students, remember, n minus of this value. So n minus of r minus 1 means n minus r plus 1 by denominator this r will come. So that we can substitute here. Similarly, NCR plus 2 divided by NCR plus 1 equal to n minus of r plus 1. So n minus r minus 1 by r plus 2. So these values substitute and simplify. 1 by 1 plus. This value is n minus r plus 1 by r. 1 by 1 plus n minus r minus 1 divided by r plus 2. So take LCM in the denominator. 1 by r is the LCM. R plus n minus r plus 1 plus 1 by, here r plus 2 is the denominator LCM. R plus 2 plus n minus r plus 1. So here minus r plus r minus r plus r get cancelled. Denominator of a denominator, it will become a numerator. So LHS it will be continue. So r divided by n plus 1 plus r plus 2 divided by 2 plus 1 is 3. So n plus 3. So here it is r plus 2. Here n 2 plus 1 is 3. So r by n plus 1 plus r plus 2 by n plus 3. So which is equal to, if you want take LCM, LCM, otherwise leave it like this. Better to take LCM. n plus 1 into n plus 3. So here r into n plus 3 plus n plus 1 into r plus 2. We can leave it like this, otherwise r into n plus 3r n r plus 2n plus r plus 2 by n plus 1 into n plus 3, which is equal to nr plus nr 2nr. So 3r plus r 4r, nr plus nr 2nr. Next nr is over 2nr, 3r plus r 4r. Next 2n plus 2 by n plus 1 into n plus 3. Still we need to, here if we take common from these two, is there any chance to get n plus 1? So from this if we take common, r plus 1 will be there. So we can 4r plus 2nr plus 2n plus 2. Even if we take here 2n also. 2r if we take out common, here n plus 2r will come. It won't be used. Leave it like this. This is about LHS. We need to calculate RHS in this RHS value. This is about LHS. Yeah, dear students, here we forgot n minus r minus 1. Now here I wrote plus 1. So it is a little mistake. Here you can rectify, dear students. So minus 1 it will be. So then it will be changes as r plus 2 will be in the numerator. 2 minus 1 is 1. N plus 1 only will come here. So r plus 2 in the numerator, n plus 1. So whenever denominators are same, we can add the numerators now. So this minus will change your total answer, dear students. Please be alert. I hope you understand. So that is equal to n plus 1 is the LCM. R plus 2, that is equal to 2r plus 2 divided by n plus 1. Still if you want to take it, 2 into r plus 1 divided by n plus 1. So this is LHS value. Now come to the RHS. What is that RHS? 2a2 by a2 plus a3. That also we finish it here. 2 into a2 by a2, if we take out common, 1 plus a3 by a2. A2 get cancelled. So which is equal to 2 by 1 plus a3 value. A3 value is NCR plus 1 by a2 value NCR, which is equal to 2 by 1 plus NCR plus 1 by NCR means first you have to subtract these two, n minus r divided by r plus 1, whatever the suffix is there in the numerator here. So now take LCM. R plus 1 is the LCM for the denominator. So r plus 1 plus n minus r into 2. So minus r plus r get cancelled. So denominator, numerator 2 times of r plus 1 divided by n plus 1. See dear students, the previous step here, 1 minus will change your total answer. So that is the reason be alert. Sometimes I will be also confused. Plus be alert as students. So from here, this is equation number 1. This is equation number 2. From 2 and 3. From equation 1 and equation 2, we have the result. A1 by A1 plus A2 is plus A3 by A3 plus A4 is equal to 2 times of A2 by A2 plus A3. So, from equation 1 and from equation 2. This is about, dear students, from RHS, dear students. This is RHS, that is 2A2 by A2 plus A3, dear students. This value is equal to 2 times of R plus 1. Even here also 2 times of R plus 1 by N plus 1 we got. From 1 and 2, both are equal, we conclude that. Hence, proved. Even in the previous playlist also I kept this. But a little their mistake also done. But here, we rectified that mistake and we got the answer. I hope you will enjoy this video. And if you like really this video, please share to your friends, dear students. Thank you all for signing off. Pass with Manindra.